Your online radio station and FM radio station could be earning way more than you realize. There are a few great ways to make income online, including one which almost no one is using, but is probably the most lucrative money maker for small radio stations. Stay till the end and I'll show you how it's done. In my early days of running radio stations, it was extremely difficult and frustrating trying to find enough money to keep the radio station afloat. The only options were advertising and sponsorship sales. Trying to convince local businesses to buy advertising was hard, but now with all the online opportunities available, it has never been easier to bring in money to support your radio station. While I cannot guarantee any success in trying these techniques, as nobody can, you are better off with the leverage of online opportunities compared to the old-fashioned hard sales of advertising. In many cases, radio stations don't like doing the selling part of their advertising, but there is a way to make money from advertising from your radio station without selling more advertising. That is to use your existing audio stream on networks that sell advertising. You can either send a stream that has your original audio and not your existing adverts, or simply send your radio station stream as it is, adverts and all, onto streaming sites like Shoutcast, where Shoutcast will place adverts onto your stream. You can send your radio stream to other host sites without the extra advertising for your core audience, but make additional money from these other streams that cost you nothing more, as you already have an audio stream that you can use. The next way is to promote online sales as others would do privately. You don't need to sell the advertising, simply make your own adverts about your online stores like Shopify. This way your listeners can buy products in support of your radio station. If you say that the money from the sales of the items in the stores goes to your radio station, you are more likely to have people buying as a result of wanting to support your radio station. The bonus is that as a result of the traffic on your online store, you might even get sales from people who don't even listen to your radio station. In a similar way, the next idea also helps to sell as a result of listener support, and that is merchandise through print on demand. Radio station logos, funny slogans, beautiful designs, and station-related designs can be used on existing platforms like Redbubble and Printify. Or begin your own merchandise printing and sell directly to your customers on your online store like Shopify. You can even use the same designs in both ways to receive traffic on both sites. This once again can end up making sales if your designs are good enough from people who don't even listen to your radio station. The initial sales, though, would more likely come from listeners who want to support your radio station. The next idea is to actually sell your expertise as a radio station. This includes training for presenters online, either through live training, which you can run through channels like Vimeo if you want to keep it private, or on YouTube, where you can earn AdSense revenue. This can also be sold as training which is pre-packaged, which can be sold to potential radio presenters. All the filming can be done in your radio station as your filming studio, as you already have the facilities and potentially even presenters who already work for your radio station. And now, possibly the most lucrative way to make money for your radio station, which almost no radio station is doing, is affiliate sales. This way you can use your radio advertising time to promote your own affiliate sales, which can be on an affiliate page of your radio station website. This page can be subdivided and have lower pages for each and every category of affiliate programs. Through your radio station website affiliate pages, you can send potential buyers to sites like ClickBank and Digistore24. This means your web page can get potential buyers 24 hours a day. The commission percentages on many of the affiliate programs are huge, ranging from as little as 10% to as high as 50% and more. The great thing about the affiliate page of your website is that you can direct traffic there from additional places, such as from YouTube videos about your radio station, Facebook advertising, and your own on-air adverts. This once again starts with listener support and moves on to the general public, who could end up making your radio station more money than all the advertising and sponsorships combined. As a bonus, here is another way to make additional money for your radio station and your presenters. That is to have your presenters be voice artists. The voiceovers can be sold online through freelancer websites and much higher paying agency sites that would be using the voiceovers for much higher paying work like TV adverts, movie voices, and even narration for business and audiobooks. The additional income can also come from selling these voiceovers to local businesses who need the voices for their YouTube videos, radio adverts, and even local TV adverts if you have local TV stations in your area. Once again, you don't need to invest in much more than you already have. Chances are that you already have a recording studio which is complete with a professional condenser microphone and audio editing software, and even the staff who might be working as volunteers and even might be paying you to gain experience at your radio station. This way of repurposing your existing infrastructure and staff can mean making additional money online and in your local area from what you already have. As a presenter, you can also make money online. While you build your career as a presenter, you can still make money on the side, keeping you afloat while you learn and possibly create an online career as a presenter at the same time. For radio stations though, whether FM broadcasting or a streaming radio station, simply by repurposing facilities you already have, you can turn a struggling income into a booming business. A really great way to repurpose your radio broadcasts is to use either recorded sections of your live shows or use your live show stream if your station is a talk station that does not play copyright music, and put these shows onto YouTube. These can be interviews you had on your radio shows, top 40 music lists without playing the songs, and any other talk program your radio station had. You can either video the interviews or shows when they happen and use that as your YouTube video, or simply use a photograph of the interview and some motion graphics to keep the video interesting and add the audio of the show. What is an extra bonus is that the viewers of your YouTube channel might find your radio station as a result of seeing your videos on YouTube. That way you gain radio listeners as well as YouTube viewers, all from the same audio you already have. The audio can be edited down into shorter clips or played like a podcast with long edits of talk shows. There are even some licenses in some countries that allow you to play music on YouTube, so you could send your complete live stream to YouTube and have super chats where people can donate money to your radio station through YouTube. Talk shows can also be live to get super chats, or even have recordings turned into live YouTube streams. The live streams then can be repurposed again as recorded videos on YouTube. Let me know in the comments which of these ideas you like the most. To learn how to set up your radio streaming, check out this video. To learn more about radio broadcasting, click here.